Guys, once again I'm back with another interview. As we know, every Friday there is a good day for Bollywood, and this Friday again is going to be a good day for Bollywood because three, four big movies are releasing. One of them are Dev Kali, and we have the lead female cast with me, Bhumika Gurunji. Starting with your role, your character. What character are you playing in this film?
So I'm playing the character of Mudra in Devkali, The Secret of Devkali. Mudra is a very dark, very powerful, very heavy, uh, full of a different kind of an aura she carries whenever she walks into a room. So Mudra एक ऐसा character है कि उसके सामने किसी की जबान नहीं खुलती है and antagonist of the film. So it's been a very different role that I've actually played in this film because you can see how different I look with her hair.
Yeah. So how did you get connected with the team, Devkali?
I've done some good projects in television. I was doing one such project for a renowned channel, and that's where I knew somebody in the creative team who referred my name for the film. And from there on, I think they were trying to cast me for another role in the film where probably the makers, Neeraj, the producer, did not feel that I fit into that because it didn't have too much of a screen space and too much of performance to do. And that's where they actually brought back and wrote Mudra after the film's 80% of completion. They got Mudra's character, and then they literally felt that probably I can do justice to this character because this character had more screen space, more it was more meaty, more performance full or more powerful than the other things that they were considering before. So I think कहते हैं ना जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. So, yeah.
Already household name in the Indian television industry. You have created your own space in Indian television industry, and this is, I think.
Absolutely, it's my first feature.
So, while choosing your role, while choosing a film, what was the parameter in your mind that you should start as a debut?
Yeah. For me, I've never dreamt of being, you know, a Madhuri Dixit, or I've never dreamt of being a heroine. I've always dreamt of being an actor. I wanted to always be known for an actor, as an actor. And even if you pick up any of my television shows, my shows that I've chosen to do in television are also very empowering, women-centric, very much which gives out a message or something which has performance in it, not just a face, a pretty face. So for me, when I heard the story of The Secret of Devkali और जब मुझे मुद्रा का बताया गया, instantly it was a yes because I knew it is going to be something very different and something where I would be noticed as an actor, as a performer. Because if you pick up any of my old news articles, I've been asked a lot of times the same question, and I've always said that I don't want people to talk about anything but my work. I want to be known as a very good performer, a very good artist.
What exactly was you feeling when you came to know about the genre, the script?
Feeling, yeah.
How it is going to connect with the generation?
It's definitely going to connect and the current generation because I myself I'm from the same generation, not too old. And we, at least people like us, like me, we long for such good content, something different because we're done with Gen Z, Gen X kind of content because that's what we're seeing everywhere. We go to meet somebody at the gathering, वहाँ पे आपको same चीज़ देखने को मिल रही है जो आपको content में देखने को मिल रहा है. So when you get something like this, it's like fresh air. You know, it's like a nice blow to you. Okay, there's something different. और ऐसा content television पे या online platforms या theaters में बहुत कम मिल रहे हैं देखने को. तो I think for me, I couldn't have had a better launch.
So there are two big faces like Mahesh Manjrekar is there, and then Sanjay Misra is there, even Zarina.
Yes.
She's a legend. So you have shared screen space with any of them?
Unfortunately, in the film, I didn't have any scenes with either of them, but I have worked with Zarina ma'am. I've done a web show with her for a new platform. And a beautiful story. It was a story between a mother-in-law and a daughter-in-law. So I've had a very good. She's super cute. I think I've had a very good time with her. We had a 10-day schedule in Indore. और वहाँ पे मेला लगा रहता था रोज और हर रोज प्रैक्टिस के बाद हम उस मेले में जाते थे, भूत बंगले में गए हैं, ट्रेन में बैठ के गए हैं, एंड लिटरली शी इज अ किड एट हार्ट, सो आई हैव हैड अ वंडरफul time shooting with her.
When we talk about Sanjay Mishra, he is known for his comic series and comedy movies basically. So off camera, you had any interaction with him or any incident that you had?
He's the same. I mean, there is no filter at all. What he is on screen, he is off screen. आप उनको देखेंगे, आप बोलेंगे what a wonderful human. He's so real. I don't think so. You need to even judge him. No second thoughts about him. I am a huge fan of Sanjay Mishra. So I've never had this craziness for any of the big stars, like stars, except for Shah Rukh Khan, of course. But when it comes to actors, I'm crazy about actors. Like, you know, for me, Neena Gupta ma'am, I want to share screen space with her someday. And Sanjay Mishra sir and Brajesh sir. मतलब मेरे लिए to be here next to him for the press conference was like a dream come true. That was enough for me because my whole family loves Sanjay Mishra sir's work. I mean, his film Kavya, what a film, and unfortunately people couldn't understand such films, and I wish कि ऐसी फिल्म चलती. इन्हीं को तो एक्टर कहते हैं, they are actors.
Kesari 2 and then Bhutni, the Sanjay Dutt movie. These two movies are releasing on the same day. So there are classes definitely, and they have much more screens than this film. So what do we expect on box office when you are talking about this?
See, honestly, right now my mind is completely blank because I'm not aiming at something wow or something bad. In today's time, जिस हिसाब से the industry is going on, anything can happen. Any content can boom. Any content which you've made amazing can flow. So for me, there is no comparison because every film that is releasing on the same date, they've had their own share of success in the past. So I think there is zero comparison. We as a team, we're very new. And we're getting a content something like this which will give you something back, which will get the audience into a movement kind, literally try to question that have we thought enough about our surroundings, have we thought enough about हमारी संस्कृति के बारे में, animals के बारे में. So बहुत सारी चीज़ें, it's a very good message. It's definitely not a bad film at all. This is what I can tell you, but you are going to like it.
As per box office and commercial success is concerned, it's not just concern of a producer who has invested money, but also a concern of every actor who is related to this film. So what exactly matters to you? Your own recognition in the film, critical acclaims, or the commercial success?
Of course, in all, everything. If you ask me, everything matters. But yes, अगर आप मुझे एक parameter बोलेंगे तो I would want the film to be a successful film, not just me going ahead or anybody else going ahead. वो अलग बात है कि आप एक फिल्म देख के किसी एक को पसंद करते वो हो जाता है, that happens. If something is or somebody's character is different, वो हो जाता है. But as a person who's a team member of Team Zazigit of Devkali, I would want everybody to move ahead together because it's collectively more than ours. It's their hard work. There were so many people on set behind the camera working day and night to make this happen. I think it's more of their success than us. We are going to move on to another project. We will do another film. But I think for them, they are eagerly waiting. Those people who did our makeup, the costume, the people who were behind the camera, they were eagerly waiting for it to release it. कि हाँ मैंने ये film की है, ये ऐसी film है. तो मैं चाहूँगी कि सभी आदमी के साथ में ऐसा.
So what was your working experience with Neeraj Chopra? He's also
amazing. He's super talented.
As a director, as an actor.
Actor, honestly, I've not been able to share much of screen space with him. But as a director, he knows what he wants. Since I've had a lot of television experience, I just started doing films. For me, it was a very different experience because आप जब movie के set पे जाते हैं, आपको सब कुछ छोड़ना पड़ता है. You need to unlearn whatever you've learned because the medium is completely different, the work pattern is different. So I didn't want to be somebody who knew it all. Yeah, I know it all. So I didn't want to be that. So I asked Neeraj and I surrendered कि भाई आप बताओ. I'm here. I will give you whatever expressions you want, but you tell me what line do you want. इस line पे अगर आपको ये चाहिए तो मैं उस time पे बोल दूँगी. And that's what it was. I think we barely even had any takes, retakes, and it just fell in place and it was turned out amazing.
This is your debut film, feature film. And what is the plan for the release date? What are you going to? You have any specific plan for the release date?
Yeah, I've asked all my friends, I've literally begged them कि चलो भाई सब साथ में मूवी देखते हैं, तो बस वही प्लान है. We all are going to go together. भाई कोई जाए ना जाए मैं तो जाऊँगी. Maybe the whole day I'm going to be like सारी tickets मैं खरीद के बैठ के खुद देखने वाली हूँ. I'm kidding, of course, that's not going to be possible, but yes, I will be going for a show, and I want to see how people react. Because I'm telling you, the whole subject is completely different. It's going to blow your mind.
So any message to the audience for this?
यही मैसेज है, एक रिक्वेस्ट है मैसेज में कि प्लीज गो टू द थिएटर्स. आप लोग कहते हैं कि अच्छा कंटेंट नहीं आता, इट्स अ ग्रेट कंटेंट. ऑल फैमिली कैन सिट एंड वॉच इट टुगेदर. प्लीज गो एंड सपोर्ट अस. आप लोग जाएंगे तो हम ऐसा कंटेंट दोबारा आपके लिए लेके आ पाएंगे. एंड I think we all need to support each other in terms of pushing the industry ahead. People have stopped going to the theaters. I know comfort सबको चाहिए. मैं भी घर पे बैठ के ऑनलाइन देखती हूँ बहुत सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स को, but I love good films and वो good films को मैं पूरे एक्सपीरियंस में ही देखती हूँ. तो I hope आप लोग को बरकरार रखें. Go to the theaters 18th of April. Please give us all.
Thank you so much for giving your message and all the very best for the grand
Thank you
success.
so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Means a lot.